Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Haute Modesty. Today, I have another subscription box, and it is all the way from the UK. Look fantastic. And if you're interested in seeing what's in this box, please stay tuned. Okay, my beautiful people, let's see what's in this box this month. I think this is like the third month I get this box, and it's been pretty good. It does come from the UK, and it is $19 US a month. And there's, I think up to 6 items. Usually I think it's 5, but it's 5 to 6 items, so you get full-size products as well. And so let's take a look and see what I received this month. Okay, okay, this is always a trick. You see how, this is really weird how they do this. It even says fragile. See, I don't see them do that with the American boxes. What are they, a little more rough when they come from overseas? Maybe. Oh, you know what? I'm going to cheat. I'm going to pull the bottom up. Is that going to work? Oh, maybe. Okay. Sorry about that. Apologize for all the noise that I'm sure I'm making. And so here's the back end of it because I opened it backwards because this is like crazy how they got this. Okay, so let's see. Okay, here it is. Look fantastic. Oh, it matches me today. Even matches the background. Look at it. I could have planned this better. I didn't know this was gonna happen. Woohoo! Okay, and it's such a pretty color, right? This box. And so anyway, let's get it open. Okay, and it's like all the boxes that we usually see. It's like this, and this is the one I'm sure it comes with a nice little booklet, but it's in pounds, so I have to like figure out what the exchange rate it is for today for the US dollars and figure it out and put it on the screen for you. And so, and here it comes like this. This is LF. Look fantastic. And let's see what's in here. Okay, let me take a real quick look at the book, okay? And this is like pages of book too. It's not just like, and what it does is it actually gives you information on the products. A lot of information on the products of how it was developed, who the developer is and all that. And it has all of this information for page to page. And sometimes it's just information with the same product line. It may not be in here. I learned that last time. And then sometimes there's a coupon in the back that says, here you go, you can buy this, but it's not in here. So anyway, so let's see. Oh, make sure. Okay, I don't have 2 times that I know I filmed it. I filmed these videos and I noticed I have lipstick on my teeth. I'm like, what the heck? But you guys are so kind though. You've never ever said, hey, you get lipstick on your teeth. There's other people that would, and you guys haven't done that. So I really appreciate that. It's okay if you call it out though. I don't mind. I don't let a whole lot of things, affect me. Okay. Ooh, this is really pretty. I'm just going to give you a quick look. But it's like weird because the outside is like beautiful pink, and then there's part of it is like pumpkin orange, and then the paper is orange, and then the confetti is orange. So it's pretty interesting. Who would have thought the orange and purple would go together? It obviously does. This is nice. And here I am admiring the box instead of the stuffing. It's like, okay, I'm moving. Okay, the first thing I grabbed here is the long wear lipstick. Okay. And I wonder if it's the same color. What is it called here? Oh, it's red. Definitely red. And let's see. What company is this? Is it Zena? I'll take a look in the book because the way it's written, as you notice, you see it's like, what is that letter? Is that a Z, backwards Z? So anyway, okay. How does this work? I don't want to like twist it if I don't have to. This is really weird. Oh, it screws off. Maybe it's like liquid lipstick. Oh, it is. There it is. And this is very, very red. And I'm afraid to swatch this because I'm wearing white. But I'm going to go ahead and swatch it and see if it's, oh my gosh, this is so opaque. And this is just like one whoop, okay? Not like, but just this one, and look at it. Look how, you see that? I mean, look at the opacity to this. Wow, that's really pigmented. You know what, guys? I'm going to have to take this off because if I get this on my jacket, I'm not going to be happy with myself. Oh my, look at this. Wow. Okay, this is something that will stay on your lips. I can tell you, it's on my hand. So, okay, that's okay. Okay, so let's read a little bit about that lipstick. And I'm going to have to find it in this book, I'm sure. Because there's like pages. Okay, here it is. Okay, it is called Xena. Okay, and the Longwear Lipstick Shade 502. Get a perfect pout with the help of the Xena lipstick, which has a super lightweight formula, a doe foot applicator for easy application, and highly pigmented color. That's for sure. And yeah, it is lightweight because I can, it almost felt moussey, like a mousse when I put it on my hand. And this liquid lipstick dries down to a smudge-proof, comfortable finish that will last all day long. And I believe that, you know, because I mean, it's only been on my hand for a second or so. And then it's totally, yeah. I wish I would have gotten a lighter color so there's nice mauvey colors. Okay, so is there a price for this? Then there actually isn't even in pounds. There's no price, not even in pounds. Interesting. Okay, and the next product is called Detox Unpolluted by Naube, Natural and Organic. And it's Crema Ligeria. Okay, that's in a foreign language. Is it in English somewhere? It's this Oxygen Light Cream, aloe vera, green tea, ginkgo biloba, ginkgo biloba. It's good. That's good for your brain, actually. Raspberry jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and grapeseed oil. And it appears that there is perfume in this, though. This is the very last thing in the ingredients. But this is pretty interesting. Take a look at this lotion, right? And this is wood. This is actually wood. The cap is wood. Huh. I wonder if there is a, nope. I wish I didn't open it now. There is no safety seal. I don't like that. I don't like when there's no safety seal. I don't know if it's an American thing that we have safety seal on this stuff. And yeah, so, okay. And there is no price on this again. But what it says about it is that Detox Oxygen Light Cream 50 ml. This lightweight face cream provides intense moisture without leaving your face greasy. Formulated with green tea, aloe vera, and raspberry. Regulate your skin moisture levels and protect from free radicals. Idea for all skin types. How to use. Massage gently into cleansed skin until well absorbed. Wow, it's a shame that they put fragrance in there when it's such good, you know, good ingredients otherwise. Okay. And next is Phelps Kingsley. And this is bodybuilding shampoo for fine, limp, or flyaway hair types. Okay. It's just a regular shampoo. Apply to wet hair and lather and rinse. Okay. And, of course, this is a sample size. Okay. And does it say anything about it? Pure Color Frizz Fighting Gloss or Bodybuilding Weightless Shampoo and Conditioner. There's a possibility you would have gotten a conditioner unless I have a conditioner in here too. Is there a conditioner in here? Oh yeah. Okay, so there's a conditioner in there as well. And so it says, these Phelps Kingsley products will leave your hair feeling soft, silky, and shiny. The Pure Color Gloss is conditioning heat protectant that improves color vibrancy whilst the bodybuilding duo is infused with a cocktail of beneficial ingredients to provide long-lasting body and bounce. Okay, alrighty then. So there is a color gloss. Nope, that's not it. Oh, we didn't get the color gloss. We just got the shampoo and conditioner. And here it is. I'm getting all crazy. Here it is. Okay, and your sample size. And there's something else I would have probably thrown it away if I didn't. Oh, yeah, see? I would have thrown this away. It is a small, teeny, tiny eye pencil, I think. Man, does it seem like I'm really scattered today? It's like so totally crazy. Maybe it has something to do with filming 3 videos all in one day, and I'm doing my day job too. So I'm sorry, guys. I'm like all over the place. And so, yeah, sorry. Okay, this is Lord & Berry, and this is a Dore eye pencil. And is this like gold color? Because it doesn't... Yes, it is. Okay. It's like a gold color. The reason why I gave it away is that end right there. And let me see if... Oh, yeah, okay. It's not very well pigmented because I'm having it, you know what I mean? And here it is. It doesn't really, it shows up, but it's not, you know, it's not even really creamy. Yeah. I'm not really impressed with it, to be honest. Let's see what it says about it, though, if it says anything about it, because I did not see this earlier. But here it is. It's there. Lord & Berry Line Shade Glam Eye Pencil Bronze Gold. This Lord & Berry eye pencil is comfortable on the eye, intense in pigment, and incredibly long-lasting. I would have never gotten that from that little swatch I did. It wiped right off. I'm going to have to put it through the test. Yeah. And a gorgeous gold bronze shade to make your eyes pop. The fine point allows for precise application, while its creamy formula can be easily blended. It is creamy, I'm going to say, but it's not very well pigmented like it says. But you know what? Since I have bronze, Natasha Denona's bronze palette, maybe I'll use it, you know, on the base of it. Just kind of like line the base and then just like really work it with a brush and see, maybe it'll work like that. I'll give it a try and see what happens. And again, there's no price on it, so it's just like really weird that these things don't have a price. Okay, next is In Transit Camera Close-Up Mask, Moisture, and Primer in one. Oh, okay. There you go. It's a primer. And I've been like really into trying primers lately. And I never used to use primers, and I'm like all kinds of into doing primers. I mean, just testing out primers. And so, let's see, that one. Okay, here we go. And I think these are all sample sizes. I can't imagine that, other than the lipstick, that any of this is like full size. Okay, this works. There's 2 things. Leg Miracle? Okay. You must have been able to get one or the other, same company. So... yeah, so where does it talk about this other one? This is so weird how they do things there. Perfect Leg Skin Miracle or In Transit Camera Close-Up. Okay, feel pampered from head to toe with This Works products. The Perfect Leg Skin Miracle is lightly tinted serum enriched with vitamin C and E to deliver a sun-kissed glow to the body. And I didn't get that product. And it continues to say, your In Transit Camera Close-Up is a mask, moisturizer, and primer all in one, erasing signs of fatigue to help your complexion look more radiant. Don't I wish? I feel pretty fatigued right now. So, I wonder if that'll work. So, I want to make sure I don't have like another one that's in this confetti. Nope, that's it. So, that's weird how they put those together. And then my last thing is called Ice Puree. Ice Puree. They don't spell puree the way we would spell puree, so... okay, there it is. Okay, let me see what that's all about. I need to figure out what that is now. Okay. It's bipolar. Ice Pure micellar water with Arctic cotton. Okay. Harnessing the powers of Arctic cotton, this cleanser removes even the most stubborn makeup to bring moisture and hydration to the skin without overdrying or bringing uncomfortable tightness to the skin. How to use. Apply all over the face with a cotton pad. Do not rinse. For an even deeper cleanse, follow with your favorite face wash. Oh yeah, and please do double wash. Don't just do this micellar water and then say that's it, because it doesn't really get it clean. Take my word for it. So I think that's it, right? Yeah, that is it, my beautiful wildflowers. Yeah, this was kind of like a crazy box. I can't kind of get my head wrapped around it. Can you? What did you think? Please leave comments below, because this box was just like everywhere. There's no reason to rhyme from what I can tell. But maybe it's me. So yeah, let me know what you think. And let me know if you think it's worth the $19. And because I don't even have prices on this, not even in pounds. Well, they did have it last time. So, all right. What I may have to do is try to look it up. And but yeah, it is what it is. So anyway, if I added any value, or I'm going to say, or fun, because I don't know how much value I added in this one, please give it a like. And that really does help me. And if you do like the videos, please do like it. So that way it helps the video to get a little more popular. And that'll give me more wildflowers to collect. Got it? So we can make our family bigger. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I really thank you from the bottom of my, I almost said my stomach. Bottom of my stomach. No, bottom of my heart, for spending your time with me, because I know your time is precious, and for you to give me your time, that speaks volumes. And thank you so much. And so anyway, if you can remember what I usually say, don't sweat the small stuff. And y'all have a good day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.